Hi, brother.
Oh, hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
So, what's your name?
My name is Kidane.
Where you come from?
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. Man, that's a far away.
Yeah,
Damn,
far
man.
away, yeah.
So you are very far. So
Yeah.
Istanbul, right? Your Istanbul. This the guy is YouTube.
Oh, Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt,
Usain Bolt,
brother.
man.
Oh
Yeah,
man,
Usain
I
Bolt
forgot
to
his
the
name.
world, yeah.
Oh man, you know that. So
Yeah.
my question is, how long have you been here in Berlin?
How long have I been here?
Yeah.
10 months, give or take.
Oh, 10 months.
10 months, give or take.
So are you married, single?
Oh, I'm married actually.
So how long have you been married or living with your wife?
I've been married for 2 years. We've actually been living together for the 10 months that I've been here, give or take, 10 or 9 months, give or take. But yeah, I met her in high school.
Okay.
When I was 14, she was 13. Now I'm 21, she's 20.
Oh, that's great, man. It's in the big, nice story.
Yeah, man.
So, how is the relation? Is it good at home?
The relationship, to be honest, it's just the same as, you know, a lot of people have it's a lot of ups and downs. That's it. There's just a lot of ups and downs, you know, and what makes it hard for me is that I already have a tough time adjusting to this new country, these new people, you know, having to make new friends, having to get a job, having to learn the language, having to do this, to
That's
do that,
very important.
you know, and then she also has her own problems, her own issues, things that she wants to do, things that she wants to achieve, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
You know, sometimes it just collides, you know, it just collides and we have problems.
Okay,
you know?
I understand, brother. So now just was my question because you know, many people they're planning, you know, some they said no, they don't want a relationship. Sometimes they say no, we don't want to marry it, you know. That's why we need to find out.
The way I look at it, the way I look at it, honestly, is it's a mindset thing, you know.
Yes.
It's your goals.
That's right.
Sometimes having a life partner isn't necessarily important for you to achieve what you want to achieve, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, but for some people, some people are lovers and not fighters, not warriors, not players.
You know? That's
some people are just lovers by heart.
That's right. We need
if you love, you love. And if you can find a partner that you could also come together and work on your goals together, that's the best thing. I realize with a lot of relationships that people have, you know, the reason why they don't last is because they don't have much to look forward to together in the future.
That's why.
You know,
I understand.
They don't have much to look forward to together in the future.
Thank you. Okay. No, say.
So yeah, man. That's my thing.
This is your opinion.
That's what I think.
Okay.
You know,
thanks very much, brother. I know that you are very happy with your girl.
Yeah.
That is great. I'm very happy to you too because you know God said we have to have one love. You know what I mean? That's why you have to love your friends like you love yourself. It's the same things, you know. We are I'm from Africa, Angola. I know that you know that. You know, we are all the same. You know what I'm saying? Okay, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hi, Bruder. Na, wie geht's dir?
Gut, selber?
Ja, gut, danke. Wo kommen Sie denn?
München.
Achso, Bayern, München. Oh, das ist meine Stadt, Mann, meine Stadt. Und ich wollte fragen, Sie sind zusammen?
Ja.
So wie lange schon?
3 Jahre jetzt.
3 Jahre.
Ja.
Oh, das ist super, gefällt mir. Und bist du glücklich, Junge?
Ja, ich bin sehr glücklich.
Und du auch?
Ja.
Lady, das ist gut, gute Beziehung. So, also ich habe gehört, andere Leute sagen, no, Beziehung ist ein bisschen schwer, das ist keine Ahnung. Aber ich weiß nicht bei euch, wie läuft denn, Mann? Vielleicht, wie können andere helfen?
Alles läuft super.
Und was versteckt ihr darunter, dass man weiter oder viele Jahre zusammenbleiben?
Einfach Vertrauen.
Vertrauen?
Vertrauen.
Wirklich?
Das
Das ist
Vertrauen,
Oh, das ist super. Das gefällt mir sehr. So, dann alles Gute. Ich werde sehr glücklich, wenn Sie heiraten, zusammenbleiben, ja? Okay? Und planst du auch, denkst du über das?
Ja, später bestimmt, ja.
In Zukunft. Wir sehen uns. Ich werde da. Mich eine Ladung schicken. Dann gucken, ah, das ist mein Bruder, muss heiraten, ich muss dabei sein. Dankeschön.
Okay.
So, wir sind zusammen. Ein paar Fragen, ja? Du oder andere?
Alles klar.
So, wie heißt du denn?
Ich heiße Ahmed.
Ahmed?
Aus dem Jemen, ja.
Achso, wie lange bist du schon hier?
Ja,
Wie lange schon?
seit anderthalb Jahren.
Achso, schon lange, ne?
Ja.
Und was machst du?
Ich studiere hier in Deutschland.
Ah, studierst
In
du.
Berlin, Freie Universität.
Und wie findest du Europa?
Europa allgemein ist, ich weiß es nicht, weil ich nur in Deutschland
Erleben,
geblieben
ja.
habe.
Ja,
Aber Europa ist ein guter Platz.
besser zu leben.
Ich empfehle alle Leute hier zu kommen.
Alle sind gute.
Ja,
Alle.
Guter Platz.
Was-
Ruhig und
Ja.
nicht so wie Amerika oder
Achso.
die anderen Länder.
Okay, vielen Dank. Und hast du Familie, Entschuldigung, hast du Familie hier?
Ja, nein.
Nee, alleine,
leider nicht,
ja.
leider nicht, alleine.
Kannst du ein bisschen English
Alleine
sprechen?
English. Huh?
English sprechen?
English, yeah, I can speak.
So, can you explain that of English language?
Okay.
Yeah, well, have you been here
I have been here for 2 years,
2 years?
around 2 years, and I study here in Germany in Free University,
Yeah, yeah.
and it's just a good experience for me here in Germany to be,
I see.
and I just enjoy everything here. Especially in Berlin, you have a couple of places to visit.
Oh, that's great.
You can just
So, thank you very much. So, enjoy yourself.
What was the name of yours?
I will give you later, right?
Okay,
that's-
subscribe.
Thanks,
Subscribe
man.
him.
I will give you. I'm give you. So, brother.
Hello.
Hi, man. How are you?
I'm good. How are
So, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, how you think about African people?
you? Yeah, African people, they are my friends. They are the most good people here in Deutschland or in Africa.
Okay.
I studied with so many friends from Africa,
From Africa.
Nigeria, from Cameroon, and
Oh, that's
from
great.
Eritrea also. But they are so nice.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
We have awards that African people they have the most beautiful hearts.
Yeah,
And they
that's
have
why
good
we have
feelings towards the others.
like you too, man.
Yeah,
you two
yeah.
are brotherhood.
Yeah,
so
yeah, we
that
are
we have to
brother.
be
Yeah,
together,
yeah,
you
yeah, we
know.
are
That's just the civil wars making people to
Yeah,
separate,
yeah,
and
to
this is,
separate
and
them
the
because of the
religion
conflict,
also.
yeah.
The
Because
Muslim.
of the bad people.
Yes,
They
that's
just,
why they need that's money.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, brother. Enjoy yourself.
You
I
too.
see you later,
You
right?
too.
So I'm.